All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we just finished up our malaria confusion matrix module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, I told you we are going to start the process of running our plots, and today we're going to pick up where we left off. So now we can focus on printing our plots. We will run our plots using the code below of the plot.figure. The fig size equals 8 by 8. That's going to give us a plot size. It should give us a plot size of 8 by 8, which means a row of 8 and a column of 8. Then we have our S&S.heat map. The S&S is from the Seaborn that we imported up at the top. And that's going to have parameters of the CM are not equals true. Then we have the PLT.title of confusion matrix formatted for threshold. Then we have the PLT.y label is going to be actual. PLT.x label is going to be predicted. And then we added the PLT.show. This wasn't, the instructor didn't actually tell us to do this one. I put it myself because I remember the last time we tried to run it without it. The PLTs didn't show, the plots didn't show. So we added that just in case we needed it, which we probably will. Now, after running the code, we should have the same confusion metrics, but more elegantly plotted. Now we notice that when we're trying to say reduce the FN or reduce the FP, what we're doing is we're just picking up some values like changing the threshold to zero point 0.2. For example, we will see its effect on our plot. You can also do that for the threshold value of 0.25 and see its results. We could continue to do this until we get the best results, but this isn't very efficient since we're just trying out different values. Now, the way that we could do this more efficiently is by working with the ROC plots. We will be able to choose a threshold in a more efficient manner using the plots. And then, so we'll be able to reduce the number of FN or number of FP without having to try out a bunch of different threshold values manually. And that's what we're going to do overnight. We're going to run the plots overnight. Hopefully, everything comes through. Everything's working good so far up until now. So the last thing we have to do is just print out these plots and we can move on. And this was actually the end of the module for the malaria confusion matrix. And tomorrow we will be starting a new module. It's going to be the ROC plots module. So in this section, we'll be going over the steps and process of using ROC plots. So we will pick things back up tomorrow. Hopefully everything goes well tonight with running the plots, and we don't have to do any debugging or any backtracking, and we can just move forward. But of course, I will keep you guys posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.